Hi everyone, I am celebrity makeup artist Patrick Chow. I'm going to be showing you guys 5 of my top makeup hacks. So first hack, I'm going to show you guys how I like to apply powder. Swipe it onto the back of your palm just so you don't have too much powder on the brush. And I like to powder only the center of the face. So this is really going to accentuate the glow. Like you guys know that I personally love a glowy look. I always gravitate towards a powder that is a little bit lighter than the overall color. A hack for applying cream eyeshadow, I always like to apply a transition color all over the lid just to give you a really nice base and shape. And then I like to go in directly with the product, and I'm using a really beautiful like shimmery eyeshadow. I want this product to really just make the eyes look like they're wet. And the way to do that is by applying it just like a little hint and then blending it out and mixing the two products together. So I'm going to apply a little bit of brown eyeliner just in the waterline to really amplify the look. The first hack with mascara is that I personally like to apply one coat onto each eye and then going back in once the other eye is dry and applying a second coat. And I really like to wiggle from the base of the lash, working my way all the way to the end to really lengthen and thicken the lash. A hack that I like to do with bronzer is applying this onto the very end of my eyeshadow application just to marry all of the colors together. And I like to use the contour shade right onto the edges just to slim down the nose. So for my next hack, I'm going to be applying a brow pencil. So for the front of the brow, I personally like to always fill in the eyebrow backwards. So this is really just going to give me a really light application, just so you never want the front of your eyebrows to be too dark. I like to have like a gradient look. When we get towards the end, start filling in and shaping and defining the eyebrow. Now I'm going to finish off the look with a dewy mist. I applied a nude lipstick underneath, and I'm going to top it off with this lip gloss. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite makeup hack is.